Updating your billing information on Podia is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment details are current. Step 1. Log into your Podia account. Visit the Podia website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you enter the correct email and password associated with your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is typically found in the upper right corner of the dashboard, often represented by your profile picture or an icon. Step 3. Select billing information. In the account settings menu, look for the option labeled billing or payment information. Click on it to access your current billing details. Step 4. Update your payment details. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the eshrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your billing information, look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click it to confirm your changes and ensure your new billing info is saved. By following these steps, you can easily update your billing information on Podia. Regularly checking and updating your details helps avoid any disruptions in service.